Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Claude error. This isn't working right now. So if you're facing this error in Claude while trying to do a prompt or something, the first thing that you can try to do is to do a simple refresh for your Claude page. So sometimes a simple refresh will work. If this doesn't work, try to click on your profile picture and log out of your account. After that, log in again with your account and see if that fixes your issue. Also, if this doesn't fix your issue, try to open incognito window as see from here and open Claude AI. After that, log in with your account and see if that fixes your issue. If this didn't work with you, try to see if Claude service is actually down. So search for Claude status and click on Claude status website. After that, you will see if the system is operational or is it actually down as you see right here. The last thing that you could try is to click on the three dots on the top right and then click on delete browsing data. Now you can actually delete your browsing history and it will refresh your browsing data, and after that you can actually try again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.